Hello, this is Nasrullah, and now I'm talking about the web services, different kinds of web services, as like as SOAP, REST, JSON, and also XML, RPC. And now we're talking about the SOAP. We only know that as SOAP means Simple Object Access Protocol. And simple object access protocols allows program to messaging to communicate, and here also using hypertext transfer protocol and its extensive mapping language. And we also saw that is one kind of protocol that's extensive messaging to between the client and the web services. Now we are talking about the how it works. Now we are talking about how it works, and we know that there is client and the web services, and around this, and there is web SOAP libraries. When a client send a request from a Android set, and SOAP libraries send a request to the web services, and also web services send a response through the SOAP libraries. So it's all about SOAP protocol. We also say that a client and the SOAP web services are between the request and response. It's all about request and response. We said that client and web services are connected between connected by through the SOAP libraries, and this is another example of a customer and the internal system. If you think about a customer and the internal system of a database, and here is a request, data, and response between the customer and the internal system. If we send a request from a customer, if a customer sent a request to the internal system, and internal system sent a response by the SOAP protocol, which is called the HTTP protocol. And we now say that SOAP means exchange data from customer and internal system. So SOAP means that a customer and internal system, a customer sends a request data, and internal system a response from the data, and through the SOAP protocol. And we also know that the SOAP protocols means HTTP protocols, and HTTP protocols means exchange data between the customer and internal system. Now we are talking about some language. We can do something different and do something so the output to the browser, and that is our we name this we're trying to name the viewer page index to PHP, and we need to save the res file, res folder, and here is our that is our viewer page, and save this. And now we can create we say that an HTML page create, and the title is RESTful web services. First of all, we think about what we need to do first of all, and we get something different, like we make things which language are using in this and which type of language we using. All languages are English, and we're using English language, by the way. Title temp converter, and our project name is temp converter. Temp converter, and we need to search the date. Okay, fine. We need to build a table so that we can first of all we using viewers so that we can create a table for temp converter, and make with the and connect with the controller. And here is a table. Table tier tr, tt, tr for title, table title, and td for title, td for nobody comments. We need to table header, table name belong table. We assign this name table and we make a td type text, type text, and name is tab. And that's it. Let's see the table, and there's another one, tr, tt for another requirements, by the way, and the line and the name as well. Type for type t and check tt for we need to assign those kind of things. Enter, and there is a type input. Now we need to create a table, and table name is table names in table, and now we are adding that to who is at the starting of the table. We need to PHP names and PHP need to the project PHP को name melan PHP को the project I set open form open form close form open here form open that means we need to identify the controller name convert slash convert temporary means converted. Okay. Convert. And now we are going to create a table, and there are two types of table. Name is type is video. Name is type, and we need to assign the value. Value name is setup, and we need to check it out. We need to check it out, and the name is C2. That means calculate Celsius to Fahrenheit, and like that. Plus, and we need to another input. We need another element to use name is also ratio, and the name is type, and value is the opposite of setup. That name is f-stop, and we need to also check it out. Check, and we need to assign the name T2C. T2C TT, and we need to another TR for our another result or submit something like that. F-stop is okay, and TT, that means we need to assign the result which we want result TT, and assign the another TD for our input for our input result type PHP set and PHP info I set need to identify the initial variable name is result, and also we create the assign the variable result and we need to double inverted, and this is for the result, and we need to make a submit button, and it's also available this TG for submit, TG for in BSP, and that's it. And we need to create a submit button. Create করতে হবে input type আছে, just type name is no, this type is name is submit, and also name is submit, that we want to name the button name, and we need to close the table to use PHP language echo from close that's the from close. That's it for the purpose. Okay, there's just our HTML page, and we need to be correction the value name. Value name is seat f that's it. And here is our PHP language for our open name of the table, and also pursue the table form. This is the table form, and there is the tier for title. Tier the first title that we name the title name is table, and also we need another correction. We need to set up this at the beginning of the table. And here is a table, and this we also use for the close the table, and this is for the HTML page. And we now go to the controller. We need to make a new controller, that name is temp converter 2 .php. And we need to assign the basic things of controller PHP. We are using the controller name temp converter, and we used to PHP language. Now we are assigning the write the PHP body, and now we try to basement of the PHP language base defined base path. That you need to initial this name base path, and all or exit then load it script direct access allowed. So I need to initial the class name we want to need. We know that table name and the file name and the class name is also the same. Temp converter, which is temp converter extends for the extends CI controller say control. Okay, this is the body of our class. We need to mention a method. We need to create a method whose name is public function convert or public function index, which is public function as like as public function. The corresponding method name is index. Method name is index. Index. This is our method. We need to this main method for our output, HTML page output without browser, and we need to assign the HTML page name. This is load topic, which is load view and name of the HTML page. Our HTML page name is index2, and we need to assign another method for our temp converter, which we will name the converter. We need another function which name is convert, and we need to assign the value, and we need to type post type is input, type equal to this input post, and it is in the name of the type of HTML page, which is type post. And we need to another variable for our client, sub client. We need to create an object whose name is sub client. We need to initial the link. We set a link for this www.wordpress.com. /x. Studiobase converter.ss. The property. Is the link of the object, and we need to need some condition to set up for our things. Our condition is if type is equal to setup, because we have two types, then the setup is setup. If type equal to setup, and we need to initial the variable whose name is data. We set a variable result, which also provide the client right to mentioning heading and need to initial the Fahrenheit. We need another one to post variable for temp for our another variable temp. We shall the name have some comments. Fahrenheit to Celsius result that will provide the result about input. We need to create another one. If it execute, you can remove the single bracket. We also use else for this, else doctor. Another one, if we execute, if type is not ctop, then we have another data for execute, data result client Celsius to Fahrenheit, and we are using another option, that is Celsius to Fahrenheit, and into another array for this array, and name this array is, name the variable name is Celsius, and as well the post temp Celsius to Fahrenheit result. And if the data is executed not, if our type is ctop, and that will be execute this line, and if not, that our program will execute this line. And now we are going to execute our program, and we need to write load view data index. We need to initial our index file name of HTML file name, and also the queries that I want. We need to write this line for we need to execute our index HTML page, and data for if we execute this line. First of all, we index. First of all, our HTML page is execute, then our data will be execute. If this line does not be execute, then otherwise if this line will execute, and our this is our point, and that's all from me. Now I'm trying to now we review our code, and we know that review our code. There is a HTML page. So we first of all we create a form table which name we want to this table, and name input text, type text, and name is temp. First of all, we know that our project name is our problem name is temp converter. We create a temp converter for our SOAP web services, and now we are going to take a review for our HTML page. First of all, we create a table, and this PHP code will execute the form open, and this will be go to the controller name temp converter, and our temp controller name is temp converter 2, and we have a method. If the table is executed, the table is going to the item converter controller and the method name convert to execute. And here is our another basic language to close our form, to close our table and form. And we are trying to catch away submit button and also a result which we want to need in our browser. And here is our input panel. Name is to name is type, and also C2F and F2C. Now we see the our controller. We see our controller team controller. We make a team converter to controller and have a index method. Have a index method which name is index method for our for execute our HTML page. And now we are making another method name is convert. And here we trying to make a condition which is if our type is ctop and we execute this line and the line name is Fahrenheit to Celsius. If we is not ctop and the line is execute this line, and we write this code for execute our HTML page with our condition. And here our output, and if we execute this line, and here is our output. Here is our output. If you take this, and here will be our output. So this is for me, and that's all.